back to my channel. As you can see in this clip here, my head is looking a mess. So today what I'm going to show you guys is how to achieve a genie ponytail with a drawstring ponytail for the low. So you're going to need some braiding hair, doesn't matter what kind, just regular braiding hair. You're also going to need edge control. I'm using the Ebin 24-hour edge tamer. Pump it up Spritz for a hold for your ponytail. Got to be glue blasting freeze spray. And some type of gel, jam, something to, slick them edges up, girl. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just combing through my hair, making sure I don't have any snags or any tangles, combing it upward to form it into the shape of, a high ponytail to get it awesome. And next I'm just going to use a brush to, help form that as well, to get the hair formed into the high ponytail. So next I'm going to take the Got To Be Glue Freeze Spray, blasting spray, and I'm going to spray that all over my head. So the freeze spray has a really sticky, almost dry consistency that's going to allow you to really shape and form the ponytail into the higher position that you want it to be in. So it's going to make it really stiff and sticky. So next what I'm going to do, I didn't show it, but what I'm doing is I'm taking the shining gem and I'm putting that over the freeze spray all over my head as well. This is to slick my hair up. So if you pay close attention, you can see that I'm not putting this shining gem on my edges. I'm really just putting it on the hair, like on my actual hair, to slick it up, to smooth it up into the ponytail. So the previous products were to kind of mold or form the ponytail, and the shining gem is to slick the ponytail. So now I'm just taking a regular black hair tie and I'm just putting my hair into a ponytail. So again, it might look a little rough because we haven't touched our edges yet, but we do have a smooth and slick high ponytail. I'm just showing you guys the back, nice and smooth. So now I'm going to take the freeze spray and the Pump It Up Gold Spritz, as well as a small tooth comb, and I'm going to further smooth the ponytail. So first I'm going to comb to make sure we don't have any lumps or bumps or tangles. Then I'm going to spray my entire head with the freeze spray. And then after spraying it, I'm going to comb through it. So this is to straighten all the hairs and to smooth them into place. Then I'm going to do the exact same thing with the Pump It Up Gold Spritz. So this next step is completely optional, but I like to do it because my hair is pretty short. I'm taking 2 bobby pins and just placing them in opposite directions in the back of my head to hold that hair up, because I am going to be allowing this to set overnight. So now what I'm doing is just taking the braiding hair, and what you want to do is cut that at the middle. Then after cutting it at the middle, you want to try to feather the hair. It doesn't have to be perfect or anything because we're not doing, any fancy braid with this. This is just going to be the base for our genie wrap. But here you just see me braiding it into my ponytail just to give it a little more length and to give it a little more thickness. So you just want to braid that into your ponytail. So here I'm just flipping the braided ponytail I just did over, you don't want to completely tuck it, but you want to make it into like a little bun that's standing up. So I kind of just folded it in half and then wrapped the tail. So now I'm just taking another hair tie and I'm wrapping that around the base of my ponytail again, just a little higher than where I wrapped the first hair tie. So now you want to get some more hair ties, maybe bigger ones or longer ones, and you want to wrap those around the base of your ponytail again. Right now we're building the shape and the form. We're making the ponytail stand up so that we can have that Genie ponytail. So you want to wrap the hair ties on top of each other. So now what you're going to do is take some of that leftover braiding hair that we have in a bobby pin, and you're going to pin the braiding hair to the back of the ponytail, or towards the back of your head, but at the very base of the ponytail. Because now what you're going to do is wrap that braiding hair around to make the band that allows you to have a Genie ponytail. So I slowed it down right here just so you guys can see. All you do is straighten and wrap. Straighten and wrap. Anything that's a flower sticking out, you can conceal it by just tucking it in and wrapping over it. So you want to wrap this tightly, because the tighter it is, the better the form is. So then I'm just using some Got2b freeze spray as well to go ahead and give it some stick so that the wrap stays in place. So now the moment we've all been waiting for, the edges. No, but now you're going to just proceed to do your edges. So now that the ponytail is formed, it's slicked up, it's in place, now you can proceed to use whatever edge control you use, as well as, any gel or jams, to go ahead and slick your edges. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm just applying edge control and jam on my edges, and I'm going to slick them up and slick them into the ponytail. Y'all, please excuse my face. Edges are a big deal. My face is too serious right now. So now that everything is done and in place, I'm going to seal everything up with some more freeze spray and some more spritz, and just to get a good hold on this. And then after that, I'm just going to wrap my hair up and get ready for bed. And we're going to let this set overnight. So it's perfectly fine if you don't let the ponytail set overnight, but I would recommend at least 20 to 30 minutes just so you can get everything together and in place. So it's the next morning. As you can see, I have a little work face on, and it's the big reveal. Ooh, look at that. Smooth. So now I have my drawstring ponytail. I'm just going to take that out of the packaging. And what you want to do is place the drawstring ponytail on top of the excess braid that we made at the top. leave the band that we wrapped around exposed because that's going to give it the genie look. So unlike the traditional ponytail, you don't want to place this directly into your scalp, into the ponytail. Place it into the additional braid at the top. Then you just want to pull the drawstring, wrap the drawstring around the top. That wrap that we made yesterday should conceal the drawstring. And then with the end of the drawstring, you can just take it and bobby pin it to the back of the ponytail. So now you can just play with the ponytail, get it into a position that's comfortable for you, that looks good to you. And now I'm just going to redo my edges. So here I'm just readjusting the ponytail and making sure it's in place and I'm comfortable with it. But yeah, that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribed. And stay tuned for my next video.